Fortunately, this year's Civil War is going to be dry, so you can leave the poncho at home, but it's going to be cold, that's for sure, so grab those extra layers. And it's cold this morning, 26 degrees right now here in Eugene, 30 in Salem, and 36 this morning in Roseburg. Head out to the coast, you're down into the 30s this morning as well in North Bend under those clear skies, and it's chilly in Bend down to 16 degrees there. We're still seeing mostly clear skies, no rain to speak of across the entire Pacific Northwest. Still seeing that good travel weather. You're still doing that today or as we head in toward the end of the week. That ridge of high pressure, which has been keeping us dry and allowing those temperatures to drop overnight, is starting to spread on to the east. As it does, we start to see onshore flow starting to return here to western Oregon. As that happens, we can see some small disturbances or storms move into the area. And we've just had two in recent history that have tried to make their way inland. One was forced up to the north, and that's bringing some snow showers up into British Columbia this morning. And the second one was forced down to the south, and that's bringing some clouds there to Los Angeles because they run into that ridge of high pressure and just cannot progress further on to the east. The storm that will make it in, though, is this area of low pressure developing further out into the Pacific. By then, that ridge will be far enough on to the east, so we'll actually see that storm right in our neck of the woods. It'll get here Sunday. It's going to stay through Tuesday, and it's going to bring back some wintry weather to the entire Pacific Northwest. And we're talking about low snow levels with this storm. And here's why. When that jet stream shoots right off from the Pacific, we see rain here in western Oregon. That's common. We get that pretty much all winter. But there are times that jet stream starts to slide up to the north. It picks up that chilly, cold Arctic air and pushes it down into the Pacific Northwest. When that happens at the same time that a storm system moves in, of course, that combination brings in snow. Generally, it's mountain snow because it takes a lot of cold air at the same time as that moisture to bring snow all the way down to the valley floor. We do have that potential coming up early next week, but again, the timing has to work out just perfectly. And right now, it looks like most of the moisture will be wrapped up by the time that cold air gets here, but there is that chance that we could still get that wintry mix. So stay tuned for that. But as for today and actually the next couple of days, we'll continue to see these mild conditions, mid to upper 50s along the coast. Partly cloudy, winds will be out of the northeast, 5 to 10 miles per hour. The UMPQUA Basin back into the low 50s, mostly sunny for you as well this afternoon, and you'll be into the mid to upper 30s again tonight. The Cascades still very mild, great day to travel that way, highs in the upper 40s. Partly cloudy, mild conditions for you, dropping just barely below freezing again tonight. Central Oregon also sunny. Still chilly start, but again back into the upper 40s this afternoon, staying dry, but you'll start to see that snow starting on Monday. And for the Willamette Valley, our high temperatures back into the upper 40s this afternoon. Partly cloudy, we just have to get through this fog this morning. Winds are calm, and overnight tonight, this should be the first night in over a week that we actually stay above freezing. It's going to be close though. And here's a look at the next 7-day stretch for the coast. Again, showers start Saturday night, rain Sunday into Monday, and then it gets cold. Take a look at Wednesday, high temperature 39 degrees. For the UMPQUA Basin, pretty much the same boat. You also see those chilly temperatures early next week, down to 35 for your high on Wednesday, 20s overnight. The Cascades will start to see rain on Sunday. It'll change over to snow Sunday night. Then it's snow all day Monday into Tuesday morning, and very cold across the Cascades. We're talking wind chill values Wednesday of negative 20 degrees. And for the Willamette Valley, again, staying pretty quiet the next 3 days. And then we are going to see that rain return Sunday. We're talking about that wintry mix as we head into Monday night into Tuesday morning. So that's the time that you'll want to watch. And you got to get all those gobbles out now. Today's the last day you can do it.
I wasn't gobbling. That wasn't me.
There's a turkey. Where's that turkey?
I got